Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So today, what I want to do is give you guys some crypto predictions. We are June 16th of 2025 and it's my belief that we have a lot of potential upside going forward. So if you guys do get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your crypto price predictions. Are you guys bullish? Are you bearish? Do you believe what I'm saying will happen or it will never happen? Let me know. So I do want to hear your thoughts and opinions down below. That's what makes this channel so great. So I would appreciate that. And guys, let's get loose. I've got some fun stuff to go over. So of course I just did a video going over the midnight airdrop. So a couple of golden nuggets in there. For those of you that don't know, a partner chain to Cardano, they are going to be doing the biggest airdrop. It is called the Glacier airdrop. So if you're holding some of the top layer ones, you will get exposure to that. Okay, so you are all here to get some insight, right? Now, again, guys, I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, do not take this as financial advice. I cannot predict the future, nor can anybody else. But what we can do is really think about what is most likely going to happen. Okay, so we can make a plan, right? I'm very optimistic about the future, and you'll see that on this episode. But keep in mind, anything can happen. So effectively, you want to own the best stuff. That's what I've been learning, right? Buy the Bitcoins of the world. Don't be putting in all your money into memes, trying to get 100, 1,000x, whatever it may be. That's just simple stuff. So let's dive right into it. So I will answer some of those speculations, etc. as well. First one on the list, Bitcoin will go higher. And by higher, I mean, I think we're going to get past 200,000 USD this year. So June, so July, August, September, maybe within 3 to 4 months, let's say we peak, I think it's going to go significantly higher. Right now, guys, institutions are buying Bitcoin. You may see an ETF for alts. We'll talk about that real soon. But Bitcoin, it's just very difficult to get your hands on the remaining supply. A finite supply, 21 million, absolutely divisible. And the more we go further along with technology, the more money printing that goes on. Bitcoin is solidifying itself as perfect money in a lot of senses, right? Decentralization. Really, what I've been learning about Bitcoin is I've never bought enough. Right? I never just bought Bitcoin. I've been speculating, right? Because typically as humans, we don't know, we think that things will happen fast, but they take time. And the thing is, if you're patient enough, things will be better than what you would have imagined. It's just going to take longer. So that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. It's always like that. Oh, I'm not going to buy it. I could have bought it at $1,000. Could have bought it at $100. Bought it at $1, sold it at $2. It's very difficult to time. So this is the Bitcoin rainbow chart. I believe this is Bitcoin on a, this is Bitcoin per halving. So are we even in the fifth halving? Yeah, like guys, we're early. We're early with Bitcoin. I think you're going to see amazing things happen. I believe you're going to see $1 million Bitcoin around the 2030 mark. I think that is inevitable. Yeah, that makes sense to me. What do I believe? I believe a $200,000 to $250,000 Bitcoin this cycle. So even if you look at the chart here, let's say even in September, if we get somewhere in the orange, that's probably where we're going to go. It's simply mathematics. It is supply and demand. And people are understanding that a large decentralized cryptocurrency that nobody owns and controls, except for the people that get involved and anybody can participate, It's very much needed as a store of value in the world. It's just better than gold, right? I have some money and I don't put in gold. I always wanted a little bar of gold. Now I'm like, I kind of want to hold Bitcoin. It's easier to move around. It's, there's so many things about it. Comment down below if you agree or not. But ultimately, guys, Bitcoin is the mover. It is dominating by market cap. In fact, if we go 2.3 volume. So if we look by dominance for Bitcoin, 64% almost. Okay. So 108, it's been pumping. So on the day, crypto's been doing quite well. And we're Monday right now. And getting into my second point here. Second prediction. I believe alt season has arrived. I believe that alt season has hit the bottom. We are oversold. I think we're about to go absolutely bonkers with alt season. As good, if not better, than the last cycle. And I'll explain why. So Bitcoin is at 108, right? Insanely higher than where we were at last peak, right? What was it, like 50, 60K? Which was crazy. We're going to go much higher with Bitcoin. Once we get to the 115s, 120s, and people are like, whoa, like what's going on here? People are going to start looking at Ethereum. It's already started to happen, had a pullback, but that's normal. We're seeing a lot of volatility. I like that personally. Now, yes, it does go to the downside temporarily, but that's okay. Because if you can stomach the ups and downs of the market in your long term, you're going to do well. You just got to hold on for 5 years. That's the hard part. Now, alt season happens after Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's going to take all the liquidity. So as you can see here, Bitcoin 64% of, the market cap. It's in Bitcoin. People will get tired of that and they will start buying other layer ones. BNB, XRP will go nuts. Solana will go nuts. Dogecoin, it's going to go nuts. The good memes of the world. Cardano is going to do extremely well. Okay. That's what you're going to see. SUI, etc. Okay. I believe alt season is like right now is the time to get in. Not financial advice. You guys invest at your own risk. But right now is the time to position yourself in the best alts. Not only Bitcoin, but the alts as well. As long as you don't freak out, you cannot panic, right? You cannot panic. Okay. No time to freak out here. Okay. So that's number 2. Very simple there. Now, number 3. Okay, this is my third prediction. We're going to keep it simple. And by the way, I did make a prediction a while ago, and I will stick to it. I'll throw it in with this as well. I believe we are going to see the year of interoperability in crypto. And what I mean by that is you are going to see technology and blockchain merge, synergize, right? You're already seeing it with Cardano and other chains. Bitcoin is going to have DeFi. You will be able to stake your Bitcoin. You will do things that you haven't even thought about, in my opinion, right? You got AI coming out, blockchain gaming, NFTs. We are seeing synergy within these blockchains, okay? So, yeah, I think that's going to be a big one. I might add a 4th in there as well. So number 3, guys, a new layer 1 will emerge as the winner. And I'm speculating either Cardano or SUI. I own 0 SUI, but in terms of RWAs, real world assets, tokenization of the world, I could just see it. It's something new that people like. It's a Solana type of vibe. That's what the Moose is getting at. A little Solana vibe. So here, if we take a look, I mean, Solana hasn't been crushing it, but Solana has had quite the year, especially last year too. Cardano, 65 cents. We talk about ADA all the time on the channel. A lot of big things happening. Midnight airdrop. You've got faster transaction speeds. And then you also have, what else? Lace integration, Bitcoin DeFi. Like, are you kidding me? It's going to get crazy. So Bitcoin is at new all-time highs, twice as high as it was last cycle. ADA somehow snuck all the way up to 2.9, $2.90. So what, in terms of market cap, what is that? Yeah, $91 billion market cap. I've made my ADA price predictions. Head over to the channel. I've done them all. Okay. ADA price predictions. Cardano will hit. Blah, 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 blah. Moose gets loose there. Okay. But guys, before smart contracts, etc., we're seeing the same move. I think it's going to go nuts from here. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. I'm calling it now. Calling it now. Same with SUI. SUI's the other one. I own 0 SUI. Not telling you to pick up any of these tokens. Frick, even Pi went up. But something will emerge, and it's going to... It might be SUI. You might see SUI go all the way up to like number 4 or 5. And it's new. There's something new. It's got the speed, etc. Okay? So those are my main 3 predictions. On top of that, I think interoperability is a big one. What else did I have in there I was thinking about in terms of crypto? Maybe an ETF. I could see, I'll just throw it in with interoperability for number 4 or 5. Like, I think an ETF, an alt ETF, because I still believe that we will see an alt season. And I think there's going to be, similar to like what you saw with Bitcoin, I do believe that we will see an XRP, Solana, Cardano ETF just get thrown in there. Like Bitcoin's going to go nuts. Boom. Massive alt ETF. That's very possible. So that's kind of what I'm leaning on. You guys comment down below. You let me know what you believe is going to happen. Guys, hit up the link tree if you want to get in on a new project. There's 2. One is BDAG and the other one is Danet. So I'm just mining this stuff. These are highly speculative. Okay, so these are not your safe cryptos. Keep that in mind. I'm not going on here telling you to dump all your money in BDAG or Danet, right? It's crazy. It's crazy to even, look at alternative cryptos, okay? So I'm just being transparent there, okay? Guys, use code MOOSE. Pick up a Tangem. Pick up a Trezor. Pick up a Ledger. Pick up an Alipal. Pick up a whatever. Get a hardware wallet. Guys, this is a wallet, okay? It holds your private keys on this device, meaning your crypto, your private keys are held offline. And what that means is that you are much better protected. When somebody goes to scam you, they try to hack your wallet, it's because your wallet's connected online. This is going to make it that much more difficult. So pick one up. If you guys want to know how to use one, go over here. Type how to use a hardware wallet, or type in Tangem tutorial, Trezor tutorial. I've got tons of videos guiding you guys step by step if you are going to watch it though. And I even have videos how to send them there. I recommend a new video for you guys. If you are a beginner, go to the channel, watch my crypto wallets explained, beginner's guide 2025, how to set up, send, receive, also swap and buy. So I teach everything in that video. On top of that, I have online courses and, stuff for you to download that's free, a bunch of goodies for you. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Let's see if the moose is right this year. Just shoot my shot. Cheers, everybody.